All right, tech enthusiasts, gather round because Intel is making headlines today, and I've got all the juicy details. First off, mark your calendars because Intel is set to report their second quarter 2024 results on August 1st, right after the market closes. And oh boy, there's so much brewing at Intel that you don't want to miss. Now, why is everyone buzzing about Intel? Well, let's break it down. The cornerstone of Intel's anticipated performance this quarter is its client computing group, which has been absolutely killing it. This segment includes some of our favorite tech goodies: computer CPUs, server boards, form factor systems, and graphic products. Intel has been on a roll, emphasizing product innovation and efficiency in semiconductor manufacturing, which could explain the expected revenue bump. One of the coolest tidbits is Intel's leap into the AI world, with more than 500 AI models now optimized for their Core Ultra processors. We're talking about serious brainpower here, covering applications from large language models to cool stuff like super resolution and object detection. These AI applications are making their way into CPUs, GPUs, and NPUs within the Ultra processors, fortifying Intel's stance in the AI PC market. They're even gunning to ship over 40 million AI PC processors in 2024. Talk about ambition, right? And don't get me started on the Lunar Lake architecture they unveiled at Computex 2024. These processors are said to take AI PC capabilities to new heights, with advanced graphics and AI processing power. Imagine better security, longer battery life, and top-notch power efficiency, all bundled in one. This is likely to drive revenues up for their CCG segment. In fact, analysts peg this segment's revenue at a whopping $7.51 billion, up from $6.78 billion last year. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Intel's data center and AI group segment faces some headwinds, thanks to stiff competition and a challenging macroeconomic environment. Despite rolling out some innovative products like the Intel Gaudi 3 accelerator and the OCI chiplet to boost AI and data center infrastructure, this segment might see a dip in revenue. We're looking at an estimated $3.8 billion in revenue, down from $4 billion last year. So what's the bottom line? Analysts have set the consensus estimate for total revenues at $12.92 billion, slightly down from $12.95 billion in the previous year. Earnings per share are also expected to drop to 10 cents from 13 cents. While it's not a guaranteed earnings beat, our model doesn't say yay or nay conclusively, it's still an intriguing quarter to watch. All right, now that I've spilled the Intel beans, I want to hear from you. Are you confident in Intel's strides in the AI and semiconductor space? How do you think their latest tech innovations will impact their earnings and the broader market? Drop your thoughts and comments below. I love reading what you guys think. And if you found this segment enlightening, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tidbits. Looking forward to catching up with you all in the comments. Keep those gears turning, tech lovers. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.